Okay, so I want to just talk briefly about share settings within Google Drive. And I think this is a really important aspect, especially when we are creating documents we are sharing from person to person within the class, but inevitably down the road, we'll probably want to share with people outside of the class as well. My suggestion would be to create a folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to New. We're going to pick the option for folder, and I'm going to call this EDMA 637 documents and hit create. Now the idea behind this now is everything that goes into this folder will model the share settings of the folder. So I'm just going to set the share settings of the folder to what I want them to be. So I'm going to come up here to the share option. On this screen there are a lot of different options. I would encourage you to choose the advanced option, and then again I would choose the change option. Now here, there's 5 different options. I think for me, for this course, I would pick public on the web, and I would make sure this is read as can view only. There is the option that says can organize, add, and edit, but I think down the road, I think can view only might be the best option for this course and the work within the course. Once complete there, hit the save button, and then again, you can hit the done button. So now anything we would put into this EDMA 637 folder, for example, if I take this document, 637 ideas, and drag it up into that folder, it will ask me a question or just remind me about the sharing privileges, and I will click OK. But then everything in this folder now matches the same share settings as the folder itself. So if I clicked onto this document and I check the share settings, we will see that the setting reads, anyone on the internet can find and view. And that's kind of what we want for this purpose. Down the road, as we create our own classroom websites, as we create different things in which we're sharing, which inevitably might be shared outside of our class, we want everybody to have viewing rights. And nothing's worse than when you click into some electronic document and it says that the privacy settings don't allow you to view it or something else. So this would allow for all people, both within our course, but also outside, so parents, students, anybody else, to view the documents that we've created. So give this a try and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot. Take care.